The night booms with thunder as heavy rain assaults the windows, casting long shadows across the cozy living room. Mirha, bathed in the warm glow of a desk lamp, is sitting absorbed in her homework, oblivious to the storm raging outside. Hussein, lost in his world of toys on the floor, is happily playing his laughter, briefly masking the distant thunder. A deafening thunderclap suddenly shatters the peace, jolting Hussein from his play. Happy, yeah, was Kunati High. Hussein's voice echoes in the room. Mirha smiles reassuringly, her voice a soothing balm against the storm's fury. Yibadal, kel raye hain, jayzehum, kelte hain. A cozy living room is bathed in a warm, inviting light, promising comfort and security. The room is plunged into chaos as the lights flicker wildly, dancing shadows mocking the once peaceful space. Darkness descends, and the silence is shattered by Hussein's cry. Api, mujhe dar lag raha hai. Hussein instinctively reaches out his small hands, finding Mirha, seeking solace in her presence. Mirha's voice cuts through the darkness, a beacon of bravery. Hero Hamesha Andiye Senai Darte. In the face of the unknown, Mirha stands tall, a protector in the heart of the night. In the dimness of the living room, Mirha ignites a torch, casting playful shadows that dance like secrets on the walls. With nimble fingers, she sculpts shadow puppets, transforming the darkness into a canvas of imagination. Hussein's giggles pierce through his earlier fears as the enchanting spectacle unfolds before him. From the doorway, their mother and father watch silently, their faces glowing with pride as they witness the unbreakable bond between their children. Kitna pyre high in Dono Main, mother whispers. The lights blaze back to life, chasing away the shadows as Hussein leaps up, his terror now vanished, and embraces Mirha tightly, exclaiming, Appy! App Mary Hero Ho! Mira response. Aur tu mere kote hero.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.